So yesterday at the party, I brought my cake home because I didn't want to eat it. I wasn't feeling it, and I thought I had it for breakfast, but I'm like halfway through it. I'm like, what the hell? Why am I eating a cake for breakfast with all this frosting and a black coffee? So I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna throw this away. So good morning, peoples. Happy Thursday. I just remembered, I'm like, come on, Veronica, we gotta eat better. I realized I don't eat fruit at all these past couple of weeks, days. I don't know, I'll eat vegetables, but I don't eat fruit really. For breakfast, we had these ciabatta rolls, which were gonna expire today. So I made one for each of us, which I know not that good. We put some mayo, I fried some eggs, and we put ham. And this is trash. It was some beef stew from a couple days ago, and no one ate it because it was what, New Year's, and we had a birthday, and then it was, yeah, and then we had another birthday yesterday. And then this is also trash. I made a flan for the first time, which I was so excited about. I did not know how to do it correctly, so that's why it came out like that. But next time it'll be better, hopefully. But yeah, gotta unload the dishwasher. And I made me a friggin' nice coffee with condensed milk, but I don't know, I just feel like bad. I'm not, like, that's not good. I don't know. This is my sandwich. Del Cielo and Mia, she barely ate. But she did eat all her grapes. at my flowers. Look at that one specifically. She is blooming. That one too. They're all blooming. So awesome. They're so beautiful. They brighten my day. Look at it. It's just so gorgeous. I want to take down my Christmas tree, but I need gloves because those things poke you and it gets me so itchy. I've been wanting to take everything down, but I can wait till Saturday now. El Día de los Reyes. Oh man, my plant's dead. I'm so bad. She can still come alive. That's why I have those plants up there in the front, because that's how I remember to water them, or else I don't. I have these two, then I have another one over there. And these are the pretty ones that are for just a season. So I had that in mind to take down the Christmas decorations, but never mind. I have this other thing on mind. I want to do a little workout here at home and then shower first, I don't know. And I want to take the girls to play basketball, go walk around the neighborhood. That should be nice. We'll see. And I want to read them a book. Those are my New Year's resolutions, to do better at that stuff. While I'm at it, I should water the plants outside. The poinsettias. They came to fix our pantry today in the morning. And it's finally fixed. But they still have to come and paint it, so I can't put the stuff back. Look, they're still alive. I got this humidifier a couple weeks ago when I got sick, and I haven't even put it, you guys. Can you believe that? So I'm gonna finally open it today. Finally here. We came walking. Man, it felt like forever. We were never gonna get here, but we're here. Oh. What the hell?
Papa's phone was here forever. Just shake it. It'll come down maybe.
Hit it.
Oh God, my shoe.
Can you guys believe that on my first throw we just got here all excited to play and the ball got stuck in the net? What the heck?
I told Mia to throw her shoes.
Let's see if this works. Mia, get. How is this? I see it, don't go. I threw the rock.
this, right, Mia? Mama, let's go. No. Mama!
Whoa.
I'm not gonna hold on.
Naughty guys.
I'm not gonna hold on. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
The bus! Go bus, go bus.
Big groceries.
Run, schoolies, run.
Okay.
Run, big principal. So run this one. Run, schoolies, run.
Hi, Panda.
That's the dog.
Put your shoes where they go. The girls wanted a cheese pizza. Strawberries, oranges, the chicken, and the eggs.
Qualifiers for this.
So
big event.
simple but good.
This pool is, I believe it's new and it's a very good pool. It's very high performance and it's a perfect place for all of us competitors to
Oh, her
showcase
husband too?
our abilities.